Okay, so this is going to be a video of the Litex hugger ceiling fan, I think it is. It's I forgot the model name, like a Celeste or something. I think it's a Celeste. But yeah, I've installed this in my room alongside the Hunter. So yeah, let's just start it off. It's kind of noisy, but you know, it's fine. In fact, I think it's just these. I don't know, actually. I thought it was one of the light globe screws. Okay. Well, there's medium. It's pretty fast. Pretty decent fan. For being like a 153, I think. It's pretty fast. Yeah, it does kind of jolt a little because it is so fast in such a tight space. Has a little bearing noise too, but you know, that's fine. Let's see if I can show the top. It does have oak on the top, so I might at some point show that, but not at this point. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed. So, bye.